Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. It's Andrew here. I just want to talk about a Chrome extension that I decided to build. This is my first Chrome extension, so bear with me as it is a little bit rough. It's a pretty simple extension, really. I figured out solve world poverty and just make everything on the internet free, because making everything free pretty much solves everybody's problems. So here you can see me doing the initial setup for the Chrome extension. I'm just figuring out the manifest files and how to package it and how to actually get it into Chrome. And you can see I'm figuring out the content scripts here. This is just so I'm able to run JavaScript on the initial page load, and that's pretty much all I was trying to do. And you can see I'm going through the official developer docs. The docs are actually pretty easy to figure out, pretty straightforward, but you can see um, eventually I get to a point where this is all I need in the manifest file, so I'm running this content.js file on all URLs. And then once I do that, I'm just trying to test to make sure I can actually run the extension and that it's firing correctly, and it is. So that's the log that I had in the file. And then you can see I'm just doing more research here, trying to figure out the regex expression. I don't have a lot of experience with regex, so I'm trying to figure out the best one that I can do that is the most universal, so I can match the strings or the text that starts with a $sign and replace it with whatever amount that it is, make it free. So you see I'm at Amazon there, just had a laptop, so my goal is to make the price free by replacing the actual inner node value. So most of my time spent on this project was just trying to figure out the right regex. But I got to a pretty good point, I think. And you can see there that I got it working. So, and now I'm just trying it on some other things, seeing what else I can get for free here. And get a nice 2019 Tacoma for free. That's pretty nice. Might do that. Now I'm just browsing houses and seeing if there's any good deals, and looks like there's actually quite a few that are pretty cheap. So I might actually pick up a couple of those for the weekend. Yeah, but this was my final regular expression. It's pretty simple. It just looks for the text to start with the dollar symbol, and if it's followed by a decimal, and it has an optional period or comma in case the value is over 1,000, and if there is any dollars and cents. So it's works for a lot of things. Actually, obviously, it's pretty simple and it could be built more robust, but it works for a lot of cases. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you feel courageous, you can try building your own extension, and I'd love to see what you guys can make. Catch you later.